everyone, welcome to my channel. If you have come here for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well today. And ARMY's, as promised, the B album listening party slash review slash reaction, whatever you want to call it, is here, and I'm gonna be listening. So I'll tell you, I have listened to all the songs when the album dropped. I listened to all the songs, but I haven't checked out the meaning. Of course, life goes on, I already know the meaning, but I haven't checked out like the meaning of other songs. I have not looked at the lyric video, so I thought, so this is like with the lyric going, it's going to be like the first reaction and my first thoughts. Before the song starts, I'm gonna tell you what my initial thoughts were after the first listen. Overall, for this album, it's an emotional roller coaster. This is really not like an album, it's an emotion. I would say this was an emotion that I went through. So the first track of this album is Life Goes On. Now I have already reacted to Life Goes On, so I thought for this listening party I'm gonna be reacting to another MV that they dropped, because they have dropped another MV of Life Goes On in the forest version. There was one more version, I think, in the bedroom. I have chosen in the forest because I like greenery. So let's react to this MV. I have not watched it yet. I have watched the In the Bedroom, but I have not watched this one, so I thought it'll be like a quick reaction also for myself and you guys. So let's get into the songs one by one. The first track is Life Goes On. I already love this song. This is a very nice song about the current situation. Oh, I have my tea also. Wait. Oh wow. So here also they're gonna be just sitting like they were in the bedroom. Na, 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 na. Na, na, na. This is already putting me in a relaxing mood. This is already putting me in such a relaxing mood. Wow. So, wow. For me, Jimin was the standout in this song. I loved his. Wow. Beautiful. Jimin, and in fact, even Hobi. Even Hobi for me was very good in this song, because his vocals are amazing. I'm really glad that he's not just rapping, he's also singing so much now. This is already putting me in such a relaxing mood. I feel for this entire album, the starting song with Life Goes On and the ending song is Dynamite. So I think the contrast is amazing. I have to check out what the meaning of the other songs are. Yeah, life goes on. Woo! I really love the fact that it's like the bedroom one only. That's beautiful. When Yoongi does, I love that. Oh wow! And after that, so wow, really Hobi has really outdone himself in this song. Really beautiful. So I think this is both this song and Dynamite. Like I'll share my thoughts on Dynamite, but I think makes the album so wholesome. This is such a great start to the album about what the situation is, and Dynamite is such a great end. It just makes you vibe. For me, in the official MV, Like what made me really emotional, like I told you, was when they were like when Taeyang was driving and sort of looked at that stadium, and then when Jin was looking around here and there, and it stopped, and then they were sitting all together in the empty concert where they did the Moats 1 concert. I think that really made me very emotional. And I love the beats of this song, how calming this song is. Wow. Beautiful. 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 The bedroom one also was so cozy, comfy, and this one also is so relaxing. Just puts you in such a relaxing mood. I love this song. This I'll tell you my final ranking after I watch the lyric video also. But this song I have rated very high. If I have to rate it out of 10, this is a straight 9 for me. The only place where I've reduced 1 mark is because the beat and the tune is not uncommon. I'm saying it's a very we have listened to such music and such, at least I have listened to such music and such songs which gives you that bittersweet feeling. But that's the only reason, because I'm being too technical here. Otherwise, this is just a song which is so relatable, and it's just gonna make you sad, but it also gives you that feeling of moving on. And yes, life goes on no matter what, and it just puts you in that present situation feel that yes, we all are going through something really big, collectively in the world. So yeah, so I felt this song is a great starter to the album. Okay, the second song of the album, Fly to My Room. It's a song sung by 4 people, Yoongi, Hobi, Jimin and Taeyang. And this song, when I first listened to it, it's a very nice ta ta ta. It's a slow song. The tempo is slow, but it's also again a very cozy song. I don't know, when I listen to this song, I do not know what the meaning of the song is. When I'll watch the lyric video now, I'll understand. But Fly to My Room, again, with the name of the song, I feel that it's again about stuck in a confined space. So without dealing this, let's just start. Overall, I thought I like the song, and let's see if I can connect with the lyrics or not. It's a good song. This is a song, you will not listen to it every time. Like Life Goes On also, you'll listen to it. Life Goes On is a song which you'll not skip. But this is a song that you need to be really in that mood to listen to that kind of music. So yeah, let's get into the lyric video. Okay. When it starts, I really like that. Beautiful. Oh. Now. Oh, it's about that only. It's about that only. The whole year got stolen and still my stomach is bloated. It's killing me slowly. Yeah. So you know what? In lockdown, 2 things have happened. Either people have become fat or people have become super fit. Which one are you? Huh, Armies? See, this song which you will listen when you are in a certain sort of mood. To wherever, just zoom. Zoom has become so important this year, na? Yeah. Beautiful. I love. For me, you know what? For me, I'll tell you, in this album, for me, Jimin has been a standout. in whatever, you know, this song also, Life Goes On. Overall, for me, Jimin has been a standout. If you remember my Dynamite reaction also, like when Dynamite had premiered, when Jimin's part came, when oh my god, I got floored at that part. Jimin has been a standout for me. Do let me know for you who was the standout for you in this album. For me, it was Jimin. Ah.
A better way. I just found a better way. Sometimes you gotta know.
Broken is beautiful. Wow. I don't know why Jimin and Taeyang's vocals sit well together so well. And imagine Jimin has such a fine voice and Taeyang has such a deep voice. Even in Fake Love, you know, in Fake Love there was a part where Jimin and Taeyang were singing together, the end part. But sounds so amazing. I think them singing together sounds very, very beautiful to my ears because it's such a great combination of very fine vocals and very deep vocals. So that's really nice. I was a little surprised when this part came. So in the first time when I listened to this, I didn't know how to feel about it because what happened is that I already was used to this thuk beat, and then suddenly when the beat changed, usually when the beat changes, I really don't mind. But here I was a little taken aback by the transition. I don't hate it, but I feel that the beat should have been that slow beat only. Wait, I didn't read that. I didn't read Hobie's part. That's the oh okay. Yeah. Oh wow. See, here I feel the transition is smoother, but personally for me, I think for me, if I have one gripe with this song, it's that I wish that it should have been this beat only. This beat. I wish that somehow the rap should have been, you know, incorporated probably in this beat. Because the song beat of this song, this beat is really different, the feel of this beat, and the rap sounds a little odd. The beat of that rap sounds a little odd. That's the only gripe I had with this song. This is the beat I want. This is the beat I wanted for the full song. Because it's a very different mood. So when that beat changed suddenly in rap, I was sort of a little taken aback, but not in a very pleasant way. I was like, okay, why? No, it should have been this beat only. That's the only gripe I have with this song. That's the only gripe I have with this song. Otherwise, lyric-wise, of course, it's again very relatable. Do you know, when the album dropped, and I was listening to these songs and all, I thought, you know what, I shouldn't be even worried about the lyrics because I know the lyrics are going to be good. They have written it from their heart. It's going to be good. But yes, again, I know. So this could be someone's favorite song. It's just not my favorite from the album. And but the only thing is that I really like. I was used to that beat. I wish the entire song had this beat. But overall, this song for me probably will rate 7 on 10. 7 on 10 in the entire album. So yeah, that was my reaction to Fly to My Room. The third song of the album, Blue and Grey. This is my favorite song. This for me, 10 on 10. I don't even know the lyrics of this song. after maybe finding out the lyric meaning, I'll probably rate an 11 on 10. But 10 on 10. What a song! This song, I don't know, it just teared me up. It made me very emotional. And a couple of you told me that this was for Taeyang's. Originally, it was for his mixtape, but. I mean, surprise then. It's a great surprise for the ARMYs. That's great, and it's such a Tay song. It just screams his vibe. It just screams his vibe, and I'm so happy that this song became a part of this album. We got it sooner. So I loved everything about this song, the vocals, the beat, the emotion, and I'm gonna look at the lyrics of course right now. So yes, Blue and Grey is my favorite from this album, my favorite track from this album. Alright, let's start. Oof, just so beautiful. Everything about this song is so beautiful. When they say I just want to be happier, oh my god, my heart.
Where's my angel? 하루의 끝을 들리운 삶은 걸면서 me please 지친 하루에
Beautiful. Taeyang is just so amazing in this song.
행복한가 봐.
Oh, where is my angel? Please come and save. Oh, so this is of course this gave the sad feeling. Of course, I understood it was a sad song. So he's asking us to asking the angels, please come and save us.
거울에 비친 물에 미는 웃음에 감춰진 날 색깔 blue.
I love this song. I love this song. Everybody was so good in this song. Wow. Happy. Oh! Shin, Kim Seokjin, yes! Now the note of this part. Jimin has just knocked it out of the park in this album for me. For you it could be somebody else, but for me, it's you, Park Jimin. It's you. Whew!
So heavy, I'm singing by myself.
I just wanna be happier.
Oh, I love this line. I just want to be happier. Is this a big greed? Oh, my goodness. What a song, man. I don't know how many times I've already listened to this song. I just love this song. I just love this song. See how great Jimin and him both sound to put their vocals together, and it's such a different vibe because he is singing in that unbelievable high note and he is singing in his deep note. So it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh, don't say it's okay because it's not okay. Oh, wow, this part again. When Jimin and Tae sing together. Beautiful. Whew. Too good.
늘 걷는 길과 늘 받는 빗바 오늘은 왠지 낯선 씨 무뎌진 걸까 무너진 걸까 근데 무겁긴 하다 있어 비가 오면 necessary 이 도시 위로 춤춘다 맑은 날엔 안개 젖은 날엔 함께 저기 모든 먼지들 I just wanna be happy 내 손에 어깨 느껴
It's a beautiful song. Beautiful song. Damn, Park Jimin.
Oh, this groove feels so heavy. I'm singing by
are always gonna be my favorite vocalist. Always.
되면 말할게 그랬었다고
Wow. I love this song. I love this song so much. Kim Taeyang, thank you for the song. Thank you. Whew, it's scaring me now. Oh, I love this song.
허공에 떠도는 말을 몰라주어 담고 나니 이제 새벽잠이 드네 그날
Yeah, oh my god, every time this happens, every time I listen to Blue and Grey, it's just, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, I love this song. You guys all, before even looking at the lyric video, I told you this song was a 10 on 10 for me. This is my favorite track from the album. Okay, I'm skipping Skit because I mean it's a very fun conversation. It's a very fun conversation. I've already listened to it because when I realized it's dialogue, I was waiting for the translation to happen. So it's really fun. I've already nothing really to talk about. It's when they hit the Billboard #1. So it's a fun conversation. I enjoyed it. So nothing really to talk about it there. Okay, the next track of this album, Telepathy. And you know what? I was so emotional when I was listening it for the first time. I was so emotional because it was like life goes on, Fly to My Room, and then Blue and Grey. It just made, it started like this and it just made you feel more and more sad. And then Telepathy happened and I got like the shock of my life, and then the album started going in that direction because it just brings you to the lowest point. And then it just completely changes track. The mood of the album just changed from Telepathy. So yes, I really like this song. But let's react to the song with the lyric video. Alright, okay. This is a really nice song. So I've already told you which is the #1 for me. That's Blue and Grey. I'll tell you my ranking later. I really like this song. Fun song.
매번 같은 하루들 중에 너를 만날 때 가장 난 행복해 매번 같은 일상 둥 떠버린 것 같아 많은 시간 덕에
This is a drive song for me.
이건 너를 위한 노래 자 떠나든 잠시 내려놓은 채는 잠시
I was literally doing this when I listened to it for the first time.
비록 지금은 멀어졌어도 우리 마음만은 똑같아
Yes.
내 곁에 네가 없어도 내 곁에 내가 없어도
Oh! Is it for armies? This song? Even if we are far and all of that, I'm guessing it's for the armies then. Even if you're not with me, yeah. Even if I'm not with you, yeah. But we're still together. Huh? Okay. This song, you know what? In this song, I realized they have used autotune in this song, which is okay. I really don't mind because like in Yoongi's part and Hobi's part, sort of a little you can feel there is autotune used. Though I mean, if they had not used it, I don't think it would have made much of a difference. But yes, to give certain songs need certain sort of kind of finesse. So everybody, I mean, our music industry now uses autotune like nobody's business, so it really doesn't matter. How the mood of the album changes from this song now. Oh my god. I I buried you instead of my eye. Every morning I wake up, I look at you, check you like a mirror. Maybe they are looking into viewers and social media. This could be. I'm guessing now it's for armies only. That they miss armies so much.
너만 묻었다 또 무겁다 몸만은 무릎아 거리거리며 생각해 별이 허락해주는 우리의 거리 Oh can I be your Beverly Hills like you did the same to me
Every time. The first time that baby came, I was I paused and I went back and I listened to it again. And again I paused, then I went back and I listened to it again. Then I was like, this is weird, let me not do it. But let me listen to it again. Okay.
Oh can I be your Beverly 허락해주는 우리의 거리
His voice.
Oh can I
I
be
don't know why he sounds so sexy sometimes. Namjoon, really?
Beverly Hills like you did the same to me
넌 빠른 건 적은 위험해 너무 느린 건 조금씩 편하게 걸어갔어 비록 지금은 멀어졌어도
Our minds are the same, yes!
우리 마음만은 똑같잖아
내 곁에 네가 없어도 yeah 네 곁에 내가 없어도 yeah 우리 함께인 걸 다 알잖아 매번 같은 하루를 중에 너를 만날 때 가장 난 행복해
I would rate this at 7.5. Yeah. 7.5 for me in this song.
내게 가장 특별해
I like the fade in this song. I really like the way they have ended this song. I really like the fade. How beautifully dhan 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 karke, slow karke, and it just ended. I really like that. So yes, for me this this is for the army. This is what my guess is. If I'm wrong, please correct me. But from what I read the lyrics, I think it is for the armies. And I had liked the song. Like I said, when this song came up, I was like, okay. This sounds like a fun song. This sounds like a fun song, and it is. The vibe of this song is just you're going to jam. It's going to be like this. I would love to play this song when I'm driving. I would love to play this song when I'm driving. And for me, I would rate out of 10. This probably is like a 7.5 for me. This song is like a 7.5 for me. So yeah, that's my rating for Telepathy. The next track from the album, Disease. I loved it. I love this song. And I'll tell you when my favorite part of the song comes. This song is this is my third favorite in the album. I have not told you what is my second one, na? Because the song has not come yet. It'll come. Okay, I'll tell you. It's Dynamite. First is Blue and Grey. Second is Dynamite. Third is this one. This song is, my goodness. It blew me away, man. It blew me away. Okay. Fourth is Life Goes On. Alright, let's start with the song. I'm really excited to know what the lyrics of the song is, because the song is called Disease. So I was like, what could be the song about? I love this song. Oh, okay.
내게 갑자기 다가온 불편한 행복 24 hours 시간 참 많아 하루 종일 잠자도 지금 뭐 해야 할 것 같은데 내 자신을 물었더니
And that screech part comes. I love that part.
쳐봐도 성과에 할 때도만 땡 못한 치기 어린 날 나도 참 어려 몸만 어려
Okay.
인생 걸어 one for the love two for the show just like I'm so fine every day 나를 위로해 다 똑같은 사람이야 ain't so special amen keep on two step 차분하게 모두 치료해 보자고 나의 뼈
This part. Woo!
마음에도 방학이 필요해
A friend named Rest All and Never Like. I like.
유리가 좀 병이 때리지니 뭐 병든 게 세상인지 나지 헷갈려 안경을 벗어도 어둠은 안 흐릿해져
Can't wait for my album to arrive.
부디 그게 전부 너
Physical copy.
다른 병들이 많아 내가 헷갈리는 건 인간이란 뭔데 추악함을 가진다는 그 마음의 병에 갇힌
I hate that 텐션하지 못해
I'll tell you what my favorite part is. It's about to come. It's about to come.
몸만 아는 짤뚝거려 인생 가는 I'm for the loud, two for the show just like I'm so fine
Okay. Are we ready? Are we ready? Yes! I lost my jams. I lost my shit, man. This part came and I said, this bridge of the song is so good. I have listened to it so many times on repeat. Sometimes it has happened that the song comes and I straight go to this part. It is so good. I loved it. I mean, this part was the standout for me. Oh my goodness. I was not expecting. You know, like I said in flight to my room where I said, oh, when the rap came, the beat changed. Oh, I was a little taken aback. Maybe I didn't want it that much. But here, the oh my god. Again. Jimin just killed it. I love this part. This entire, oh my god, from that bridge till the end, the song just, oh, can we go back again? Please, guys. It's so good, it's so good, it's so good. Oh my god, yes! Oh my god, this ending is awesome! Woo! This song, whew, absolutely banger. This song was a banger for me, and from that bridge till the end was, oh my god, I was so happy after listening to the song and Telepathy, and then followed by this. I said, oh my goodness, you know, at this point I thought, oh my goodness, it started with Life Goes On and Blue and Grey was so emotional, and then suddenly, like, what the amazing range, and that's where I thought, you know, this thought came in my mind. This album is an emotional roller coaster. It's an emotional roller coaster. Without even like looking at the lyrics at that point of time, I said, my goodness, in such little time, I have felt so many emotions. With Life Goes On, I was, you know, feeling comforted, soothing, a little bittersweet. Fly Me to My Room also put me like in sort of like a comfort position. Then Blue and Grey came and I was bawling my eyes out. Then suddenly Telepathy, and oh my god, and this song came. I said, I was just crying a moment back and now look at me jumping. This was the feeling. So after this, I was like, oh my god, stay, because then it's Stay and then comes Dynamite, and I was like, oh, Dynamite is such a happy song. So is Stay going to be something in between Disease and Dynamite? So I was really happy after this song ended. So this is like, again, for me it was a straight 10. Though this is my second favorite, again it's a straight 10 because Blue and Grey is just like a little above this, almost same. These two songs are almost there, and imagine both the songs are so different from each other. So it's Blue and Grey number 1, Disease number 2 for sure. Oh my god. Oh sorry, Blue and Grey, then Disease, then Dynamite. Then yeah, so Disease and Dynamite, you know what, I want to keep Disease and Dynamite in the second place. I want to because I don't know, it's always like a battle. Sometimes Disease goes in the second place, sometimes Dynamite goes in the second place, in just terms of listening and, you know, setting my mood into like in a certain space. So it's like Blue and Grey and Disease and Dynamite, and then Life Goes On, chalo, third place. So I'll keep these two songs at the same position. Alright. Okay, so the second last track from this album, Stay. I actually really like this song. Between Telepathy and Stay, I think Stay is more superior. Stay for me was more superior. So I'm really excited to see what the lyrics are. It's a really nice unit. It's Jin, Namjoon and Jungkook. So really nice. It was very refreshing for me to see this subunit sing this song. So yes, let's get into the lyric video. Okay. Oh no, the battery is low in this. I'm getting distracted with Jin's photograph. This is a drive song for me. That's why I said between Telepathy and this is more superior.
나도 모르겠어 나의 속을 널 볼 순 없을까 가만히 못 봐본 내 두 손을 변하지 않네요 미친 놈처럼 막 이상해 Wherever you are I know you always stay
Ah. Oh. This is such a drive song.
Yeah, I know you always stay.
I don't know what. This song just reminded me of so many other songs. So that's what this song is, more emotion. This entire album is more emotional than it is, you know. I wouldn't call it technically very superior. I mean, the album before that I reviewed was Mode 7. Mode 7 is so musically so superior, so superior. It doesn't even compare. So B is very pop. I would say it is a very pop album, but I don't know, it just makes you feel a range of emotions, which is why this album is going to be so close to ARMY's hearts, and also because this is curated by them. This entire album, it's their brainchild, so it's very special. It's very special. So it's more emotion than technicality. Jungkook. Oh, this is a drive song. Such a beautiful drive song. And this is a song that I would want the pubs to play, where you can just jump like that, you know?
Yeah, I know you always
really like this subunit. Very, very nice to see. Wow. Again, the bridge, so beautiful, so beautiful, and I loved here. I don't know. I think the only part where the beat changed, which I did not like so much, was in "Fly to My Room." But in every other song, I loved it. Like here also, when it slows down, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Yes. So yes, that was my reaction to Stay. I really so yeah, between Telepathy and Stay, Stay is more superior for me. I really liked the entire vibe of this song. Like I said, this entire album is close to the heart. It's more heart than head. This album is more heart than head. And for me, so the ranking goes basically, I'll tell you, because the last song is Dynamite. So for me, how I rank the songs for myself in this entire album was number 1, it's Blue and Grey. The song is perfection for me. The song was perfection for me. Second, Disease and Dynamite. Let me put Disease and Dynamite in second. Third, Life Goes On, of course. Beautiful song. Fourth is Stay. Fifth for me is Telepathy. Sixth for me is Fly to My Room. So that's the ranking that I have for this album. Do let me know what is your ranking. So yes, the last song of this album, Dynamite. Oh my goodness, this is not just a song. This is a cultural reset. This song has such impact, has had such an impact across the globe. This has gone beyond the status of just being a song. You know, there are certain songs which comes once in a decade, which completely just changes the meaning of that entire song and the value of that song. Dynamite is that song for this era. It is that song. This is a cultural reset. So yes, now for Dynamite, I thought, of course, we all know the song, everything. There's so many performance videos of Dynamite, but the latest one that has dropped was in the Late Show with James Corden. A couple of you had asked me to react to this. I have not watched the video because I thought, let me keep it for the listening party reaction. So yes, I'm gonna be reacting to Dynamite, the performance that they did currently in the Late Show with James Corden. So yes, without dealing this any further, let's just get into it. Okay. Okay. Oh wow, the Christmas vibe. I love, you know what, I love Jungkook's new hairstyle. I don't know why, again because it was trending on Twitter, but a lot of people didn't like it, but I personally loved it. And it's his hair. Just give him a break, guys. Seriously. It's his bloody hair. He can do whatever he wants with his hair. 'Cause it starts tonight. Woo! Yes! This is not just a song anymore. Set the night alight. Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Look at him in all white, my brother! Killing all armies. Wow. Ding dong, call me on my phone, nice tea, and I give a ping pong. What? They shot this in an airport. भाई क्या है ये लोग? I mean, the level is another. I mean, it's not even epic. Is there a bigger word than epic? Because epic भी इनको सूट नहीं करता है. I feel it's beyond. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at Namjoon.
Nice day and I get my ping pong.
This is getting heavy.
Can you hear the bass boom? I'm ready. Life's
Oh my god!
Beach train like money. Ha!
Disco of the. Oh, freaking hobby!
I'm up, you know I glow up. Hey, so let's go. Hey, 'cause I'm in a destiny. So watch me bring the
Oh my
god. Hey, shining through the city with the little funky soul. Light it up.
I still can't believe this is inside airport. They are literally dancing on the air side. What the actual F? That's just. मतलब अगला क्या है? What is the next? I won't be surprised if they just shoot something at NASA next. I won't be surprised. Seriously. Oh my god.
Like dynamite.
Oh,
Real friends, join the crowd. Whoever wanna come along.
Woo!
Word up, talk, just move, rocky up the world.
This is amazing.
Skies are light, so we dance to perfection.
Ladies and gentlemen.
I got the medicine, so you should keep it.
Whoa!
This is getting heavy, can you hear the bass boom? Love it, get it.
Oh my god!
Picture king like money. Ha!
Disco overload. I'm into that. I'm good to go. I'm down. You know I blow up.
And let's go! 'Cause I'm in the destiny. So watch me bring the fire, set the night light. Hey, shining through the city with a little funky soul. Light me up like dynamite. Whoa, da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Life is dynamite. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Life is dynamite. Shining through the city with a little.
I love the hat. I mean the cap.
Up like dynamite. Whoa. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. 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 Yeah. Light it up, dynamite.
I love how Jin has been styled. Jin stylish. Yes.
Light it up, dynamite.
I love the cap on Jin more than a Namjoon. Oh, Namjoon! Oh, all the Namjoon fans would have been so happy, na? They both are wearing the same cap. I know. Oh, they made the same. Oh, that's amazing. They made that same. Oh, epic! Just too good. This was amazing. I'm so glad I reacted to this instead of just watching it. Oh wow. So that ends the album. Yes, that ends the listening party of BTS's new album B. I have already shared my ranking with you. Please do let me know what is your ranking for this album, of the songs, what you thought about the album overall. For me, this album overall stands at like say 8 out of 10. That's how I will rate the entire album. So yes, that's it guys from me today. I know it's become a very long video, but that's how listening parties go guys. That's how listening parties go. I'll see wherever I can edit out certain clips which is not required. If they're making the video unnecessarily long, I will cut them out. But yeah, that's it. Please do subscribe to the channel if you are new here and if you are a K-pop lover. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.